Guys, I don't know if it's past 4 or 3, so I'm playing my food and food pics. Yeah. I put the food pics in here. People say, oh my gosh, what are people are with because they don't put sugar? Yeah, that's what I think also. Like, I put a sugar and then I put a whippets on whippets on this. This. Oh, yeah. Taste. Must have been this. Must have been your
Ciao bella.
Guys, I'm finished eating. Because actually better. Well, oh my gosh, this is cool. Just back. This part, I don't know if it's 5 or 4 is going to be 8 when I come back to school. Yeah, that's when it's going to